For architects, designers, and engineers who rely heavily on CAD software like AutoCAD, screen real estate, and display accuracy are not luxuries. They are essential tools for efficiency and precision. Ultrawide monitors have become a transformative force in this field. In this video, we will look at 4 best ultrawide monitors for architects as well as for AutoCAD.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Innocn 44C1G monitor. The Innocn 44C1G monitor is a formidable option for professionals demanding maximum horizontal space. With its massive 44-inch size and 32:9 aspect ratio, this display provides the equivalent of 2 side-by-side monitors, which is perfect for laying out a complete project timeline or running a full-screen CAD drawing next to specification sheets. It utilizes a high-quality IPS panel, which is crucial for architectural work as it ensures wide viewing angles and consistent color accuracy across the entire screen, preventing color shift that can occur on other panel types. While its vertical resolution is lower than some ultrawides, the sheer width and the picture-by-picture (PBP) feature, allowing you to view 2 different computer inputs simultaneously, make it an exceptional productivity booster for managing complex, multi-layered architectural projects. On number 2, we have LG 34U530AW monitor. This LG monitor represents an accessible yet highly capable choice for the CAD user. This 34-inch ultra-wide monitor with a 21:9 aspect ratio offers a significant upgrade over traditional 16:9 displays, giving you ample room for model trees and extended toolbars in AutoCAD. LG is known for its high-quality IPS panels, and this model delivers strong color representation and wide viewing angles, ensuring that your blueprints and renders are displayed accurately. Enhance your workspace with a 34-inch 21:9 ultrawide Full HD monitor that expands your view and boosts productivity. Smooth 100Hz performance, HDR support, and a sleek narrow bezel design make it ideal for multitasking, creative work, and everyday use. The 21:9 ultrawide Full HD 1080p IPS panel provides significantly more horizontal screen space than traditional 16:9 displays, allowing you to manage multiple windows on a single screen. Its near-borderless design creates a seamless, uninterrupted viewing experience for more efficient multitasking. VESA Display HDR 400 improves brightness, contrast, and image detail for more vivid visuals, while up to 99% sRGB color coverage ensures accurate, lifelike colors. On number 3, we have Samsung S50GC series monitor. The Samsung S50GC series monitor is a powerful tool for architects and designers looking for high resolution and superb contrast. This 34-inch model typically features an Ultra WQHD resolution, providing the sharp pixel density necessary for rendering fine lines and detailed model geometry without pixelation. The monitor's VA panel technology delivers excellent contrast ratios, making black lines pop against white backgrounds and enhancing the depth of any 3D renderings. While it is a flat-screen model, which some architects prefer for geometric accuracy, the high resolution ensures that you can comfortably view multiple windows across the expansive screen. Features like picture-in-picture (PIP) and picture-by-picture (PBP) further cement its place as a top-tier multitasking display, allowing for seamless workflow integration between multiple sources or programs. On number 4, we have LG 34WR55QKB monitor. It is tailored for a comfortable and efficient architectural workflow. This 34-inch ultra-wide monitor offers the popular WQHD resolution, which strikes a great balance between screen real estate and image sharpness, perfectly accommodating detailed CAD work. A key feature is its gentle curvature, which helps to keep the edges of the expansive screen at an equidistant viewing distance from your eyes, a significant benefit during prolonged periods of focus on large drawing sets. The 21:9 ultrawide WQHD monitor is designed to boost productivity, giving you expansive screen space to view all your work at once with multiple windows open on a single display. Enjoy vivid, lifelike visuals with HDR10 support and up to 99% sRGB color coverage, delivering enhanced picture quality and rich colors that make games, videos, and creative content stand out. Customize your workspace effortlessly by splitting the screen or adjusting key monitor settings with just a few clicks using intuitive on-screen controls. On-screen control also supports picture-by-picture (PBP), allowing you to display content from two different input sources simultaneously. Perfect for multitasking, streaming, gaming, or working across devices on one screen. Combined with its color accuracy, it offers a comprehensive and ergonomic solution for the modern architect. So these are some of the best monitors to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.